Welcome. If you're looking to update your Facebook page categories on your computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the new, updated steps to change your page categories quickly and easily. Whether you're rebranding, expanding your business, or just want to make your page more discoverable, updating your categories is a smart move. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, showing all the pages you manage. Find the page you want to update and click on it. This will take you directly to your page's main profile. Now, look for the About section. You'll usually find this in the left-hand menu or just below your page's cover photo. Click on About to open up all the details about your page. Scroll down until you see the Categories section. Next to it, you'll notice a small edit icon that looks like a pencil. Click on this icon to start editing your page categories. You can now add new categories or remove the ones that no longer fit your page. Simply type in the category that best describes your page, and Facebook will suggest options as you type. You can add up to 3 categories, so choose the ones that are most relevant to your page. Once you're happy with your changes, look for the Save button and click it. That's it. Your page categories are now updated and will help people find your page more easily. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks. See you in the next video.